Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change Apple Watch face from your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, the obvious thing is to simply connect your watch with your iPhone, and after doing that, currently here you can see this is my Apple Watch face right now. In order to change it, you'll have to open the watch application on your iPhone. So after opening the watch application, here you can see this is my face currently. Here you can see the option of face gallery. If you simply tap on this option, here you can get a lot of different faces to add to your watch. So if you scroll down here, you can see there are a lot more faces that you can add. So for now, I'm going to select this particular face right here. Simply tap on this face. So in here, you can see there are different fonts. You can select whatever you want. For now, I'm just going to go with this one. Here you can also choose the font of the numerals. Here, this one, here you can see there are a lot of other languages that you can choose from too. So if you scroll down here, you can also see the option of view. So currently I'm selecting moon. You can select earth or anything like this, solar system. For now, I'm just going to go with the moon. Here you can also get the option of style. For now, I'm just going to go with the random. And here you can also see the option of complications. Here you can also adjust the top and bottom according to your liking. So when you're done with it, you can simply tap on this option add right here. After doing that, here you simply tap on my watch one more time. And just like this, here you can see you have now added another face to your Apple Watch. So you can simply tap on this face. Now you can simply open your Apple Watch and see here. Just like this, we have successfully changed our Apple Watch face. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.